if you are someone who does come into, let's say, an inheritance, or you do win a significant chunk of money, what's a smart way to play it?
Well, I mean, obviously to make money, there's always some type of risk involved. But just like historically, over time, the stock market is the best vehicle to build wealth over time. You know, you look at, some of the richest people on this planet. Warren Buffett comes to mind. Where do you get his money from? He's always been investing into the stock market, and and I think that's probably, obviously, if you don't have any money in that yet, I think that's probably the very first place I personally, would look, because when you're in the stock market, you own something. So if I buy Starbucks, I buy Amazon. Like I own Starbucks, I own Amazon. And I don't know, I don't envision companies like that going anywhere. I imagine Starbucks will be here for a very long time. Amazons of the world will be here for a very long time. So if you put it into companies that have kind of established themselves, they're not going anywhere, over time, you should do well.
Got it. And how about, I didn't hear you say anything about real estate, which is a very growing, popular asset that people want to learn how to do real estate investing. And but you said stock market is the best place, and a lot of times I've heard real estate is by far the best thing. How does that compare in your mind?
The stock market is going to be way more liquid. So the idea is that if something goes wrong, if there's a problem with the investments, or the economy moves into kind of a recession period, if I don't want the stocks that I bought, I can get rid of them right away.
Right.
Now, if I go and I put that money into real estate instead, real estate operates in bubbles too. The financial crisis or the housing crisis of 2008, 2009, I mean, that wasn't just this will only happen one time and it will never happen again. Real estate prices are at, again, historic highs, levels that we haven't seen since 2008, 2009, and that's being fueled by a very, very low interest rate environment. Now, the problem with people kind of just putting money into this right now is that if we start creeping and raising interest rates, real estate prices go down as interest rates go up. So, kind of purchasing homes for like fix and flip, type thing, where they love television shows and things like that. While real estate is a great, and I'm not knocking real estate, I just feel the stock market is a safer place to put money.
Because of the liquidity problem during hard times.
Yes.
Got it. Okay.